Bob, Bob Frankston, welcome to the conference once again. Great to see you here. Tell us what you've seen so far.
I always look for the surprises, and there's a whole new, it's called Startup America, but it's really just general startups, experimenting with new ideas. But, trying to remember the exact ones is hard, there's so many. But, I've been looking like 3D printing is very interesting. And one thing you do at the show, I do, different than most people, is I actually look at the technologies, because you get a chance to also see not just what the products are now, but if you really know what you're doing, you look deep, you can see what the products are going to be in the future. What are the building blocks and what's happening? But that's not something you really have to be here for, because most reporters just, look at the sort of the covers and never look inside.
And thinking about ICC more specifically, what kind of things do you see at ICC, and what is their relevance towards things coming up at CES in the next few years?
Well, I don't know about the ICC as such, but the interest is looking at consumer electronics in general. It's sort of, in a sense, I've been in this field all my life. I grew up with my father manufacturing for the TV repair industry. And what excites me in computers is as soon as, in a sense, I've always played with personal computers from the 60s, because as a systems guy, I got a chance to play. And then as personal computers became more popular, had a chance to sort of rethink consumer electronics as, instead of being televisions and radios, we now have this universal building block and can discover what we can do. And we're just at the very earliest stage of this now. Right now you see products, applications on things like the iPad and things. But what's exciting is as more people are capable of looking underneath and reinventing them, then we're going to see much more transformational change.
Bob, you're celebrated for many contributions you've made in the field of personal computing and consumer electronics. What is it that you're most proud of?
Well, I'm best known for VisiCalc, but I'm most proud of giving people control of the networking, the home networks in the home. Because originally they're going to be like cell phones. You're going to have to pay for the PC every month. You're going to be told what you can do. And instead, I gave people the ability to do whatever they wanted to. Now, most people buy products from other people, but they can buy products from a large number of companies, because instead of choosing what's good for a phone company, they can choose what's good for themselves. And you're going to start to see more and more connected products which take advantage of the ability for people to basically reinvent the home, connect the computer, and use as much as they want. And over time, we're going to see that push out from the home rather than coming in from the cloud.
Bob, it's been great talking with you. Thanks again. Bye-bye.